All right, after video Chukwuko of Ebubeagu this morning when Ghana put concerning the gentle Yahoo and the Ijele reappear. He made a video concerning. In fact, he was crying.
Udene mwangula udene ka Ijele ka okulo nwe udene anụmanụ betray lu maazị Nnamdi Kanu akwewu ọsọ ya bụrụ nọ nnam ọsọ ya bụrụ nnem ọsọ ya bụrụ nwanne ọsọ ya bụrụ n'ọmụmụ mmadụ ọbụla dị ndụ n'ụwa wee betray or soluto alo wee betray maazị Nnamdi Kanu you no go ever end well for you ọsọ ya bụrụ nnem ọsọ ya bụrụ nnam ọsọ ya bụrụ n'ọmụ ọsọ ya bụrụ nwanne m
onye kuru Ijele ihe biko kwanu wait chereni ka onye kuru Ijele ihe esikwe m ahịa na-abatara onwe m so mfu Ijele ebe ọkwụ ọtọ ọkwụ n'akụkụ wọọlụ na-ebe akwa ihe ndị sọsọ ihe nna n'uwo hope ụzọ dị mma you explain DSS you explain Imolite una go explain jo Ijele ka ihe na-eme gị Ijele na-ebe akwa hey
masị ya biko kedu ndị bụzi ndị otu gị ọ bụ ndị otu Simon Ekpa ka ọ bụ DOS kedu ndị Igbo ga-elegara anya tata ọ sị m na DOS.
Did you hear her? That she asked Onyendu, who are we supposed to be following? And Onyendu that has been incarcerated for 5 years. Can you see how evil this woman is? You order me to go.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 23rd of January 2026, we, the Magnetic Gist TV team, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you know, after the reappearance of Gentle Yahoo and the Ijele, the camp of Ijele and the Ikenga has been in dismay. Since that time, they have not gotten themselves. I can tell you, they have not gotten themselves since that time. They have been crying. They have been, in fact, running hell to scatter, trying to see if they can keep on blackmailing Gentle Yahoo and the Ijele with other commanders and the entire Biafran Liberation Army. You know, they are doing everything possible to see if they can turn people to hate them, but it's not working out. Now, those things or the things they plan is getting back to them. People are now firing back at them, you know. Just watch this video to the end of it. You will understand exactly what we are telling you. So many people are now warning them to stay off Biafra Liberation Army or anything called Biafra, because they are trying to see if they can win this battle, but they are not in any way getting closer to win it. Yes, so that's exactly what is happening.
onye kuru Ijele ihe biko kwanu wait chereni ka onye kuru Ijele ihe esikwe m ahịa na-abatara onwe m so mfu Ijele ebe ọkwụ ọtọ ọkwụ n'akụkụ wọọlụ na-ebe akwa ihe ndị sọsọ ihe nna n'uwo hope ụzọ dị mma you explain DSS you explain Imolite una go explain jo Ijele ka ihe na-eme gị Ijele na-ebe akwa hey nsi ka ihe na-eme Ijele mruo ya nso si ya Ijele ka ihe na-eme gị n'esi Ijele asị m ọ bụ na isi ime ebe a pụọ na ihe ọ ga-eme m ụmụnne m njiri nwanyị buru akpa m ji alọta ahịa gba ọsọ lọtawa n'osi ka m bịa jụọ unu ka onye kuru Ijele ihe ọ na-ebere akwa nụkwa m na this media ka enyi ihe Ijele na-ebere akwa adị m surprise ifu post Ijele ọ na-akpọ Gentle Yahoo asị na ejidere ọ asị na egburu last year afa ọ na-akpọ Ijele makeup afa ka enyi ihe na-eme na social media chereni wait Ijele I support you in this one we no go agree Ijele, you see this one. Anyage ekwekwa mba. I support you. We no go grill. Chere. Hey, Araba andara. Who beat Ijele? Go ekuri Ijele nye. Chere. Imai popu ni Ijele no na. Ijele gana ajo nwe si. Idi show na mazi Nnamdi Kanu no Sokoto. Idi show no nya. As no Sokoto. Idi show na pochi. Ijele trust us go anybody again. Ijele see. Hope doesn't mind you go explain. Jesus, you go explain to me. DSS, you gonna go explain. General police, you go explain. General military, you go explain. General village, you Ijele, kene meni. Na biko kwa no kwa social media na keni nye Ijele na ebera kwa na kwa gentle Yahoo na enje makeup afa. Kendi bu enje makeup. I'm gentle Yahoo. I'm mafia na social media, but enje me. Ijele ara balanda.
All right, Afun video Chukuko of Ebubeagu this morning when Ghana Budene concerning the gentle Yahoo and the Njemeko reappear. He made a video concerning, in fact, he was crying. Anyway, I just want to tell you, my brother, Chukuka of Ebu, when case you the Remara. When I told you people that some of you that believe in Nigerian government, thinking you're working with them against your people, then you think it will be better for you people. It will never be better for you people. I don't know whether it's true, Gentle Yahoo is alive or not, or NJ Makeup, but I also had a voice of NJ Makeup. I've not seen anybody. I've not seen any video they made, but I just had a voice. But what I wanted to tell you is that you see you people, you Udene and Ikenga that is against Nollywood, against Simon Eba, against Biafran government. Yes, I'm proud to be a Biafra. I'm an Igbo man. Since you're an Igbo man, you are a Biafra man. Those of you that is against Biafran government will cry, wah, wah. Go and mark my word. You're believing Nigerian government. They told you they killed Gentle, the Yahoo, and the Angel Makeup. This one is in your custody, and you're believing them. How many of you, in fact, how many times will these people tell you about killing them? They're always telling us something like this, and they're believing them. And they're working with them, thinking that when you work with the Nigerian government, you will come back with shame. They will disappoint you. You will come back with shame. Imagine a country that brought $9 million to bribe a U.S. government for them to keep quiet. Make sure no, now they will see man at this country, no a Christian genocide. The money they brought to bribe them is stop insecurity in this country. You think you're working with Nigerian government. You failed. When people cry, wah, wah. This complaining you're making this one, I don't even know who you're calling. I don't know whether you're calling on a Nigerian government or I'm a Nigerian army. I don't even know who you're calling on to do whatever. You people will stay cry, wah. You believe in Nigerian government. Will be a very big mistake you have ever made in your life. Nigeria is a scam. Nigeria government is a scam. Especially to Igbo. They are scamming us. They are scamming us. Nigeria government, they are scamming us. They only have strength in Igbo land. When Igbo people, no. Every Igbo, no. When Igbo people stay in Biafra government, Igbo or Biafra, this is where they get power. People that pay bandits, negotiate with bandits, pay Boko Harams, negotiating with them, paying ransom to them. You're believing them. You're working with them to fight your people. You're working with them to deal with your people. As far as these people are doing evil, Nigeria can never be good. Unless they stop doing evil. Since you people are against Nnamdi Kanu, against Simon Eba, against Nnamdi Kanu without doing anything. You're working against Nnamdi Kanu to jail him. You will still cry, wah, wah. This one in a bill will be like, because I'm a neka kanka. For them to jam us in the canoe when we Yemen, and now could bandit to go, now could be Karamugo, then negotiate with the bandits. And then now the canoe, now fighting for freedom fighter, Abuzonia Ijele jail. All of you that is against Igbo land, that is against Biafra government, you will suffer for it. You will still cry, wah, wah. Nigeria government teach you color how. They will teach you color now. You believe in them that they kill this one, they do this one. You believe them. Can you correct? Nigeria government they always lie. The only thing Nigeria government knows is how to bribe. How to bribe. That is the only thing they know. They don't see the truth and say this is truth. One Mazinado was asking Omo to show me the law. How many of you stand on it? You trusted them, you believe in them, that they work against your people. I said, I don't know where you will stay when Biafra come. But those of you think that Biafra will not come, it will surely come one day. Oh yeah, very one day. Because me too, I'm tired of this country and about Nigeria. Nothing is working. Nothing is working in this country. They're treating us Igbo as we are nobody. What are the benefits? Can you any benefit in the Nigerian government? Nothing. You will say, cry, wah. They told you they do this one. Let Obola say. Today, again, man, Nigerian government was saying, it will say, cry, wah, wah. I'll still make a good video about this video. Share this video when you get it, so that he will see it. He will say, cry, wah, wah. And I trust Nigerian government, they believe where Nigerian government has said, I bet share this video. I don't get time to talk. Share the video. Thank you.
Udene mmụọ nwụrụ anwụ udene ka Ijele ka okulu onwe ya. Udene anụmanụ bitrelu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Akwewu ọsọ ya bụrụ nọ nna m, ọsọ ya bụrụ nne m, ọsọ ya bụrụ nwanne m, ọsọ ya bụrụ n'ọmụmụ. Mmadụ ọbụla dị ndụ n'ụwa wee bitre ọsolutu alụ wee bitre Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. You no go ever end well for you. Ọsọ ya bụrụ nne m, ọsọ ya bụrụ nna m, ọsọ ya bụrụ n'ọmụ, ọsọ ya bụrụ nwanne m. Hand don dey touch am. Ike ebewela akwa akpa amụ. Hooligan, animal, you never ike ebewela akwa, you never see, you ma biwi imele onwe animal maka chicken change ya ka iji wee lee Maazị Nnamdi ka iji wee ifte na-akọta uju uwe agba. Ihe adị ndụ biwi imele onwe. Nke ewu mbido. Guys, na anụgo ọnụwe ka anyị na-ejegodu sha mmenyo eme ka anyị na-egegodu ntị the food test ka ya afụta. Da anụmanụ udene mmụọ ka Ijele ka udene nwụrụ anwụ. If they na rubbish you about because of chicken change APC where we get dash umwezi in a conwe udene. I can never see something on your own. Only over na betray Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ose have no more. On your square, or say the person would be attacking to have no wow wrong on your hand.
Because I am with a video no because make sure no share this video because was weekend with a video. Abatam na Facebook this afternoon. Ana afọ ebe udene na brag na wazurike kponya na ayi ya na-enye appointment na ya akwụli agwo flight ya na dibia akọ na uche ya na nke a na-akpọ blessendom that woman dị iru ka ọgwụ amosu iru era ka iru trempan na ya biko ka a choose any place ọbụla ha chọrọ any state ọbụla ha chọrọ na ọ chọrọ host ba na ọ chọrọ ka ha debate ye ka ha mee meeting biko wazurike I dey happy mgbe all the statement he na-make about Nnamdi Kanu about injustice a na-enye Nnamdi Kanu ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ikwu ile onwe gị ugwu these people ị na-achọ inye appointment ọ bụ na ka a connect ego etu esi eje weta bribe na Abuja ịgba ọgara direct wofunu Nnamdi Kanu n'ime ị na-akpọ udene na nke a na-akpọ blessendom that woman dị iru ka ọ bụ amosu ị na-akpọwa ka ihe ọha biko ekwuzina maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ị na-akpọwa ka ihe ọha biko just join zia IPOB kedu debate ị na-achọ ka gị na ha mee ọkwa unu believe na atụgo na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nga ka ezi ibe ọzọ wụ the problem onye ahụ na-kwesịrị na ịbazi na-eme pati so ka ị na-akpọrọ ndị a kịta just ka ọkwa nnọọ na ị na-eme ka adị relevant na ya biko ụwa zuru ike with all due respect ọ bụrụ na ihe amụ ife wee this your respect and all the utterances he make go about the injustice a na-ekpe Nnamdi Kanu we appreciate that ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịkwụ ile onwe gị ugwu ya wofe onwe gị ebe dị si ụmụ sabotu a ị na-egrupu kịta na-asị ka gị na-anwụ ebe na ebu m ga-eme mitin. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nwee plan ọzọ unu ji ọ n'ọjọọ na ọnwa ibu na plan face yen biznes unu ịkpọzi na udene is nobody ịkpọzi ya asị ife ị na-achọ ihe ọnya biko ka ọ na-ekwuzina maka maazị Nnamdi Kanu ibe anyị na-achọ ime na awuo onye a is like okenye okenye si na ọ mara egwu a na wa aghọ ka ọ na-aghọ ọkwa atụgo maazị Nnamdi Kanu nga ka ebe ọzụzụ unu na-achọ ka ị na-achọ ka ije petiwe udene ọ petiwe nke a na-akpọ Blessing nwaanyị owuwe ya gwugo ya ga ọfụta ụtụ ma nwara ndị Hausa mụba n'ala Igbo ine nke a na-akpọ very dark man na before you know it ọtụbata gị nọ na Anambra steeti ime ọ mụọla anyị ụmụ idiot again like ụdị mmadụ udene ọkwa na-eme rantel anyway I will not digress on this. Waziri ike biko this meeting ị na-akpọ ọ bụ na ama m na utinye nna ghọta ebe udene na-ekwu na mgbede a wụ a na-akpọ meeting na ụdị ka aya ọha biko ka akwụsị nya ka reduce odi ya fire against maazị Nnamdi Kanu ibe anyị na-emewa alụ na ka ị na-achọ ịlụ ọkwa Nigerian Federal Government of Nigeria atụgo maazị Nnamdi Kanu nga ka ihe ọzọ ị na-aghọgharị na ị na-akpọ udene na-akpọ Blessing ije ọsọ ịchọrọ imeba nnọọ ọ gị maka eze kọntraktị gị kwụwa ụgwọ bikos anụ m na ego na-ese ya na Ikenga okwu kịta ịkpọra mitin ịkpọrọ Ikenga ede m ịchọ ịkpọ mitin ndị sabotu a ịkpọ dị ho sabotu a mitin unu akpọcha mitin minus jee chekie na nke peji udene ọ kpọgide kpọọ Blessing kpọọ nwoke akọ na uche kpọcha ndị sabotu a ndị ọzọ ọ kpọrọ Ikenga a na-agbazi onwe ya mgba so biko ọnwụ na biznes gị chọrọ ka gị na-akpa Waziri ike unu akpa biznes nsabotu a ọkwa na ọka ijebe nteke esi fekwuzina maka Nnamdi Kanu maazị Nnamdi Kanu fekwuzina maka ndị IPOB imepe ọnụ ikwu onye n'Igbo egbu unu ncha niile idiri ije yawa dis people biko ibe anyị na-achọ ime na ụdọsụ ibe ụmụazị ka ị na-achọ ije mee ị na-akpọ udene ka ihe gị na-eme meeting for what nke o ji wụlọ onye.
Now, Biafrans, you can see that Rosie is not happy with our madam. I think her name is Madam Ikenga, who was one of the people that went to Sokoto prison to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So according to her, she said that she was opportune to interview Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for the very first time in her life, and she asked Mazi Nnamdi Kanu if it was Simon Ekpa that people should listen to or follow, or is it the DOX? Now, according to her, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that he's not working with Simon Ekpa, that he's only working with DOX. Rosie come pala, Rosie para well for this woman. Rosie para well. I'm telling you, just listen to Rosie or watch this video to the end of it. You will understand the points where Rosie is raising here.
You could see, even show we reconfirmed it. We are not saying these things to the public to get your attention. Nigeria is a very corrupt entity. Very corrupt entity. These were the people. I just mentioned this thing in this morning broadcast that I did on my YouTube channel about this Lolo Neka. That she's, a two-faced person. She doesn't like the prime minister, which is our prime minister, Simon Ekpa. Now, not knowing that she was actually going to be granted interview today, and she said that Onyendu told her one thing, and I want you people to listen to this thing that Onyendu told her. I'm going to be turning my camera so that you'll be watching from my desktop, okay? So guys, hold on. So please, she said that Onyendu she asked Onyendu about Simon Ekpa, and listen to what Onyendu told her. Please, just come with me before we go to the main topic of today.
Nlekwa n'anya n'ihe ndị nsendụrụ ga-ahụ ya mụọ izere bịakwa kpee ekpere Madam House Spiritual that every kingdom dị ha na-eme more of ikpe ekpere ọ bụ ụdị ikwu okwu dị anya ọbịa kpee ekpere wee sị na Chukwu ndị Igbo ga-edunata Nnamdi Kanu na ọnụ ihe ya ji wee bịa ka ya si ya jisi ike na anyị fụrụ ihe ọ na-eme ana ihe ọ na-eme dị anyị mma anyị na oze ndị Igbo na Sokoto kwa kpọtakwa ntọrọji ya in fact Igbo dị mma eme ndị Igbo asị Igbo afụrụ onwe ha n'anya Igbo adịghị enyere onwe ha aka ha riwa nsị ọnụ ihe a bụcha ndị a azụ na Lagos bịazie na-emezi omume bute omume ndị obodo a na ndị azụ n'ugwu Awụsa nwafọ Igbo bụ nwafọ Igbo azụ n'ala Igbo nwụju mmiri ara afọ na-eme ọtabiri onye nwanne na-enyere nwanne ya ka akpọpụtasị amadi past ones ya in fact Igbo dị mma adị m ka o si wee mata
maka na onye biri ibe ya biri elu ụwa dịrị anyị na mma ịghọtago n'ụlọ nne ka Chimezie ịgala ya bụ mba ifele ya bụ okpukpu mmiri asaa iyi asaa agbara asaa bandit asaa terrorist asaa ifechinye dị a na-enye n'elu
ndị anyị na-eso gị ji abụ eze eri fụ Igbo bụ nwafọ Igbo azụ na Anambra ya ụfọdụ ajụjụ nsị eze ime ozi ajụjụ m jụrụ ya bụ
My brothers and sisters, the reason why I want you people to watch this, I'm not doing a live broadcast program today, is to tell you how far Nigerian government can go to destroy your own, our own independence, our own freedom. This woman is evil to the core, and I'll show you. Now, take a listen of what she said that Onyendu that is incarcerated told her about Simon Ekpa. Listen carefully.
ọtụtụ ihe na-agbagwoju ndị mmadụ anya na-efe ya n'iru akwụkwọ anyị amara nke bụ nke sokwa agbagwoju m anya nke mbụ m jụrụ ya si ya biko kedu ndị anyị na-eso eso kedu ndị awọ m onye IPOB abụọ m onye ESN mana onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo si na ihe ndị IPOB na-eme ọ nọghọ kwado ma ọ bụ si ya kwado ogebasị.
Now, she is asking a man that is incarcerated for over 10 years, who are we following? Who in his right senses, we know the fact of the things happening outside is incarceration. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what is he called? Is he a spirit? Is he a ghost that will understand what is going on? And listen to this very stupid woman carefully. Please, just follow me. There is a lot to learn today.
Maka ihe okwu ha na-ekwu gbasara ọnọdụ Igbo bụ eziokwu and sọsọ ihe nwa nwere ike ime ewu isonye n'ụzọ m nwere ike na-etinye ọnụ and eto ha ka ọtụtụ ndị Igbo si na-eme pasị ya biko kedu ndị bụzi ndị otu gị ọ bụ ndị otu Simon Ekpa ka ọ bụ DOS kedu ndị Igbo ga-elegara anya tata ọ sị m na DOS.
Did you hear her? That she asked Onyendu, who are we supposed to be following? And Onyendu that has been incarcerated for 5 years. Can you see how evil this woman is? This woman. When I made a video about this woman over 2 months ago now, some of you came here and started shouting, oh, no, Rose, that woman used to give us updates. It is not by updates. What we know, you people don't know it. Now, DOX that wants to destroy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that has destroyed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is asking you to go back and follow. Somebody who is incarcerated over 10 years. Have you people understood where we are coming from? Now listen to her. I'm supposed to be doing other things, but I will give you people this chance to listen to her thoroughly.
Na DOS bụ IPOB Biafra anya tata. Na onye nwa hiwere DOS ọkwa nwa bụrụ onye isi DOS.
Now, did you listen? Did you hear what she said? That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told her that the people we should be following is DOS. DOS that could not do anything for the past 5 years. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been incarcerated. That they started fighting over money until Prime Minister Simon Ekpa Njoku stepped in to the arena. That is what this woman is coming to tell us. I keep telling you people that there is no channel that Nigerian government will not come from. There is no angle that they will not come from. There is no option that they will leave us unturned. That is the country you come from. That is the country that doesn't want you to have your freedom. And again, I told you about Darlington, Barrister Darlington, that man is evil. He said with his mouth as well that he was part of the people who wrote to finish authority to jail Mazen and continue to listen to this mad woman. Anyways, Biafra. I will keep saying what I'm saying. Our problem is this kind of people. Onyendu told people not to follow Simon Ekpa again. You heard it from her. Sometimes the reason why I come and talk offhand without going on through this process is because I really want Biafrans to understand that, listen, there is nothing we don't know. You can see her lying comfortably because no one even baliana, because no jinan the canona MSC business, because no he had DOS in a Bemekemwe. That is what they have been doing for long. They will use Mazen and the Kano, this struggle, this agitation, this Biafra agitation to feed their family. They have been doing it from time immemorial. Today is playing out. Today, look at this, what Animal is talking about. That a man that is incarcerated in DSSS, a man that is incarcerated in Nigerian prison, will have the full knowledge of what is going on in the struggle. Have you seen how wicked human beings can be? Ekulumoku, this woman wants some certain time. Some of you, I went to my comment section, all of you wrote, some of you wrote very stupid things there. Oh no, that she's the one fighting for Biafra now. No, you want to update, even this, that. But today the reality is setting up. You people have seen what we are talking about. That these people are evil to the core. They don't like Biafrans. They don't like you as a human. They don't want you to succeed. These are the people. Why? Who is she to talk about Simon Ekpa? Onye kawo. Oye ju weku woku Simon Ekpa. Na agwa onye ndu maka Simon Ekpa. Who the hell is she, if I may ask? She's a nobody that wants to gain relevancy with the struggle of Biafra. And we don't pay her such attention. She's a nobody. No, you can't go from her house to anywhere. I'm telling you this, the simple truth. These are the people setting us back. These are the people sabotaging Biafrans. You could see Barrister Darlington now. All of them have turned to content creator on social media, talking about the illness of what Tinubu is doing to Mazen and every other person. One man took it upon himself, which is Simon, and was fighting these people, fighting against their impunity. They turned against him. Have you seen what law? Oh, yes, you know, you will call. Oh, look at no feeling. Even Simon in the mad rum because they be up in a national TV. No, Abuna, and you better why you go. Oh, because is she supposed to come here to say anything against Simon? Is she supposed to come here? I ask you people. Some of you are so moronic in thinking. When we are telling you, this morning I made a broadcast about this woman. Go to my YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I didn't know she has done this interview. It was when I was going through some things in my office, I saw this interview and I shouted. When are the Igbo people going to learn? When are we going to learn? They have video everywhere. Well, Igbo tradition now because of people like this animal. Eh? Ane Zuzu Hali Wali Biafra, ne Tikasi everywhere, ne constitute nuisance. This is the kind of person they are. They just don't want that declaration of independent state of Biafra to be heard. They don't want to hear it. They don't want Biafra to understand that they are already free. That is why they brought this woman in. That is why she's here. That is why this animal called Lolo Chika is here. Onyago Gowalo, with the Vulu Biafra na Pahali. Onyago Gowalo, singing a Biafra Juka Wesia, in the mother Navianti, because she was going close to Mazin Nandikan. Now she has started talking about, if you watch, because I don't have that kind of time now, if you watch the video to the end, you will see where she was talking about, raising money, fundraising, and the rest of them. Watch the video to the end. This is what we tell you people. How many times have you come here to see me ask Biafrans, give me money? These are evil that you should be careful of. Onya brought 10,000, 20,000, because of here Biafra, go as 10 million, 20 million. Go and look, watch this video to the end. We have Barrister Maswa Lokbala. We have Aloyo Jimako. They have not publicly come out to insult my Prime Minister Simon Ekpa the way this animal did. I'm so angry. It's what you went away, Maka, this woman. Have you people seen what we are saying? Have you seen what Biafrans are suffering because of this kind of people? I told you people about this woman months ago. All of you, some of you were in disagreement with me. Always Chikita on Asim no na no Biafra. Hey, no for na mazin na ndikanu. Ogbawazi ayi ka yesi we na aga Sokoto we na afuma azin na ndikanu. Ka yesi we na emergency donation we na aga afuma azin na ndikanu. Sokoto prison is Mazin Nandi Kano's house. Sokoto is it where Mazin Nandi Kano lives. Sokoto is it His Royal Majesty Israel Okuchuku Kano's compound. They think that they have sidelined Simon Ekpa so that they will step in and start eating from there. But Dr. Ngozi Arabweza, they don't know what to do again. Nigeria has contracted her. That is what we keep telling you. That is why I am here. That is why we are here to do what we do. To tell Biafrans the simple truth. We are not traitors. We are not deceivers. We are not backstabbers. We are not money mongers. We are what God has given to us. We are okay, but look at the kind of people that is fighting for Biafra. Insulting a man that is suffering for you and I in Finland. A man that frustrated. Do you think if Simon was outside, Nnamdi Kanu would have gone to jail by now? Do you people think so? But look at the animals. Look at what this idiot is talking about. Look at her egocentricness, her wickedness, her evil intentions, her envy, jealousy, and wickedness. Because Nandi Biafra, that she has gathered momentum. She has used Mazin Nnamdi Kanu to come close to Biafrans. Now look at what she's doing today. This was the same thing Adadi Orama did. People that cannot stand one place. Since this woman, Simon Ekpa, since I know this animal, Simon, and I'm not going to sit here and watch this animal, this Mrs. Nobody, tear down Simon's dignity and respect. I'm not going to sit here and watch that happen. We are not going to sit here and watch it happen. We told you people about these people before. You think we are fighting? You think we are fighting ourselves? Most of you think that we don't like ourselves. This woman is contracted by the Nigerian state. She has no right to do what she's doing. She has no audacity to do what she's doing. All the people that has followed this Mazin Nnamdi Kanu's case and Simon's case, including the lawyers, has never one day come out and condemned Mazi Simon Ekpa on national TV. Let's assume Mazi Simon Ekpa is a bad person. But is he not an Igbo man? Must you come and speak ill about him on national TV? Your own brother. How many Yorubas can come out and talk this rubbish? How many Yorubas has fought Reno Mokri? Even when Reno Mokri lied to the world that there is no Christian genocide in Nigeria. How many Yorubas did you come and see that come to condemn the guy? How many? Reno Mokri came and made so many blunders Nobody spoke about it. The Yorubas shut their mouths up. It is the concerned Nigerian citizens that kept on talking. Lolo Nneka, Lolo, also not Nneka Chika, Chimezie, sorry, Chimezie. Now look at, just they gave us more money. Look at the nonsense she's talking about. Simon, a man that is locked away, far away in Finland because of you and I. Because of you and I. Telling you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said to her, from detention, anybody that knows this woman to tell her that we will not take anything that comes from any, as long as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remains in prison, we are not going to take orders from him. We are not going to take orders from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from prison. If Nigeria pushes us to our limit, we would burn Nigeria to the ground. We don't care. If they push us to our limit, if they don't want to release Nnamdi Kanu, we would come for him. Let them do the right thing. We cannot take orders from Nnamdi Kanu. If you like, bring the devil himself here. As long as Nnamdi Kanu remains in prison, we're not going to take orders from him from the prison. He must come to United Kingdom where he lives. He must go to America, or he must go to any part of European country for treatment. Whatever he tells us, we listen to him from there. As a free man, not as a detainee. We can't. We will never. Biafrans will never take orders from a man that is locked against his will. If you like, let Igwe come and tell us that Simon is a terrorist who will fight you, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not have enough information about what is happening outside. Take that from me. You can't be so silly and so stupid and come to wanting to deceive Biafrans. Now you know what we are talking about. How many times have you seen me come out to tell you that we need money for something? I dare not do it. I dare not do it. Because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I will be rich. God forbid. God forbid. I forbid it. Over my dead body will it happen. These are the people that government... You see that time, I told you people, go back to my videos. You will see where I put her face. And Barrister Darlington, these two people. Darlington and this woman, Lolo Chimezie, this evil woman, telling you that Simon is evil. That how did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu know that Simon was not doing his biddings anymore? How did he know? Who told him? This is the same way they concocted letter from the prison and told us to stand with the letter. Told Simon to stop sit at home. Even when Simon has been jailed. Is the sister at home not continuing? Have you people been able to stop that one? No. They moved to something else because they know Biafra has been redeclared. Now she's getting fresher now. Was she like this before? Go and check her previous pictures. She's getting fresher. I read the way makana only go ego. Ojigo Nnamdi Kanu atawe ego. People without conscience. We see these things, we tell you people, we think we are joking. I am very, very sad when I see Igbos betray Igbos. How are we going to progress in life? How are we going to grow? Is this how we are going to see ourselves and love ourselves? Is it? Very foolish people. Very foolish woman. This interview will ruin our life. Nnamdi Kanu is our legend, is our last hope. And nothing must ever happen to him. We have warned Nigeria. We have sent our letters to Nigeria. Our redeclaration document is on Tinubu's table. So we keep warning them. If your military remains in Biafran land, if they still remain there, don't worry, let them continue to stay there. Very soon you will understand how twisted we are. We have warned you more than enough. They are using this one now. When no get level, they came with Wazurike. It didn't work. They went and make Ogenkere prime minister. That one did not work. They brought Lolo. There is nothing that they're not going to attempt. There is nothing that they're not going to try. There is no how they're not going to try to destroy Biafra. No how. They're not going to try it. There is no link they will not follow. There is no channel they will not come from. There is no angle they will not come from. That is the simple truth. That is why I'm here. That is why we are here. That is why we do all these things. That is why we sensitize the public. Most of you will be disappointed with all this nonsense she said, but I know before. So I'm not disappointed. I know her before. She's against Simon Ekpa. Even when the whole thing is glaring that these Nigerian people want us dead, she kept fighting against Simon Ekpa and Joko until they removed them. Now we can see her talking. When Simon was doing the needful, did you ever see her anywhere? Oh, I thought, no, Simon and Simon and his boys, Simon and his boys. Now she's not, that same thing that Simon was fighting against. That is what she's doing today. To make her own money too. Very useless, hopeless people. You think that people that are fighting for these struggles are hungry people? That's what you people think? You think we are hungry? Or uneducated people? That's what you people think? What Nigerian government cannot do with money does not exist, will not exist, and will never exist. That is my point. That is where I stand. That is why this woman is here today. That is why Okukatago yes, Kuwezie no. Any day you find me, Rosé, tell you that now, even now, the canon, all of you should block me. Nobody should follow me anymore. Any day, yes, you know now, USB, just know that in fact, I'm compromised. Just know that I'm compromised. This woman, she's completely compromised. Very compromised fools. Obelego. That is why poor people should not fight this fight. Obelego, they gave her. On national TV, your own brother. Ask this mad woman how much they gave her. Obugoduna, Simon Mazinandi Kanu is detained. He's not a free man. He doesn't know what we know. He doesn't know how DOS are fighting. Where is Imam Madabu today? These are DOS members I'm calling for you. Where is Imam Powerful today? These are DOS members. Where is Madubugo today? DOS members, where are they? Have they not all disappeared? After the declaration of the independent state of Biafra, they know the truth. Have they not all disappeared? Where is Biancolo today? Has she not deceived and disappointed Biafrans and ran away? This fool, this animal, deceive why? They thought we are sick in the head, but they don't know that we are madder than them. If it's insanity, we'll show them insanity. We will show them insanity this time around. Very frustrated and hopeless individuals. Illiterate-minded people. They're going to call Simon Alpha. She knows the truth. She knows the truth. They just contracted her to come and say this nonsense on national TV. Very useless entities. Poverty-stricken human beings coming to tell you that they're fighting for Biafra. Can you see the audacity, the audaciousness? Let's go back and listen to what she said about when Mazen Nandekano said, let me see if we can go back. Just listen to her. Just listen to this rubbish this woman said here. Just listen. Just listen. Did you hear her? Did you hear her? Did you people hear her? I asked. Or would you hold ekulu? Gidi ke ekulu? Ona ha agwa yi he ekulu? Ona ha agwa yi that ne kuye mazi Nnamdi Kanu ji wesi not template. Ne ha yeso, ne osolo ha yeso. No budi he ekulu ka na eme. These people don't want mazi Nnamdi Kanu out. They don't. Listen to her again. Maybe you don't understand where we are coming from. Very useless, hopeless entities.
To start a podcast.
Oh, what the hell is it? Who are these people? Who are these people? Did you hear her? A person that is incarcerated, a man that is detained the facility of the criminal terrorist Nigerian state. He is now giving you order that DOS is the people that we should follow, people that are leading us astray.
See, Abiko, KG battery DOS. Okay, Brananga. Ipota, what's on your Gana agent? Or Simon Eba. Everywhere DOS. Or Sim. No, Gayagara.
She doesn't know what to say here. She was trying to remember how to concoct her stories. This is how evil. Listen. Did you hear her? Go and listen to Simon Eba, who is doing a very fantastic job, who is bringing a new dimension to this struggle. As if now Mazin Nandikano is now brain dead. Listen. Yakuboku. Ya nwetana na ayi nwele onwe ya koheliwe Mazin Nandikano for taha no koheliwe ka isi akoheli ya akita. Then there is no action that will back it up. Listen. Did you hear that? Only that tawana. She's now coming out. Now, Mazin Nandikano agwokwage. Let's listen to her.
Yabo Simon Eba. Mazin Nandikano sini ihe agwa Simon Eba bu ebo onwere olu nkwuokwu. Ya si awere igwe okwu. Ọwụ naanị ofu onye na-agbasa ozi n'igwe okwu ndị a. Ọtụtụ ndị na-agbasa ya wesịa ngwa ebe ọ nọ n'ebe ahụ ọ nọ. Ya were igwe okwu gbasawa okwu. Na ọ na-ama hụ na mgbe ya sụrụ na ọkụ eri ọ bụ ọzọ ihe a na-ekwu.
Mgbe ọ fụrụ so na Mazin Nandikano nọ na prison wee fụ that na Mazi Simon Eba akọgheliwene kai she's busted here. She was busted there. I busted her there. On a prison where Malusia na Simon akọgheliwene Biafran so na forgiving afofine ata. Have you people seen the suffering that we are suffering here because of this kind of traitors? Mwono fuseli na Simon akọgheliwene ọkọgheliwene at what point number 1 ọgwa ha ya nye onye isi Mazin Nandikano si ka iso we ọfụtazie the next thing ọ jump to would that na mgbe ọ fuzili mgbe Mazin Nandikano nọ na detention na fight for his legal battle fuzili na onye zili power akọgheliwe na akọgheliwe o wee gwazie ya gịnị ka anyị nụzie na ihe ọ gwara ya ọ gwakwazie ndị mmadụ ọ gwarazigo onye ọ gwara. Hey Chineke, did you see what we're saying here? You know I'm shouting and I don't like to shout. Ọ gwakwazie ndị mmadụ okwuru onye ọ gwara okwuru na barista Maswara Okpara okwuru na Alayo Jimako ka ọ gwara onweghị onye okwuru ọ gwara mana ọ gwakwazie ndị mmadụ. This woman is evil. It can never be well with such people. I'm telling you the truth. I have seen karma work. I have seen where evil people are destroyed by karma. Listen. Which no. Onye sokwana. Biafrans biku when I'm I have not learned all this this onye sokwana ihe onye a na-ekwu which na nyanwa ụlọ Nneka no we no mgbe Mazin Nandikano gwara onye nwa from prison alụmelu ndị Igbo onye sokwana ihe onye a na-ekwu which nyanya nwa nnụnụ na Mazin Nandikano nye that order from where ka o si wenye the order onye ka ọ gwara why. Hey, let's listen to her here and then when did Mazin Nandikano tell her this? When did he say this that Biafrans did not hear and none of us had it? Only that Only she that had all these things that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told Simon Ekpa. Have you seen how evil these people can be? Continue to listen, my brothers and sisters. Go national and name too much.
Rising sun.
Anyways, I'll stop it there, my brothers and sisters. Even you will play here, you people should see where we are coming from, my brothers and sisters. What these people cannot do will not exist. Biafrans don't fall for this nonsense trap. It's a very big trap. I've busted her. She has been bribed by Nigerian government. I told you people this before now, so it's not a surprise to me. But I'm so disappointed that such a person that the whole Biafran have been looking up to can now come out and start talking in this direction. Have you people seen what we are saying? Have you people seen what we are saying? Biafrans, Dr. Ngozi Arabweze is vindicated. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is vindicated. Simon is vindicated. These people are not for freedom. They are for saga, and we are not here for saga. For Mazi Kaisi Wekwado ni Bazwa. For Marozi Kaisi Wekwado, Koi for Biafra. One thing I'm going to promise you people is this. Biafra has come and it has come to stay. DOS has collapsed. Biafra is now the United States of Biafra. USB, under Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, as we speak. That is the COS of the United States of Biafra. Nobody can change that in a million years. Not even this Lolo Neka can change it. Not even her. She's too small. The propaganda, she didn't learn it. She's not a professional in this propaganda. We are more professional than her. We are more professional than her. But we don't do saga. We don't do propaganda. We don't do propaganda. So Biafrans, on this note, I just want you guys to waluzie na ezuno, or ile unu go ezuno ono. Kono wefu kamadi si akohili because of ego nko ụwa. Ego iye nwechakwa ofu mbochi hapia no wa na gazawazi ajụjụ ihe ọjọọ niile anyị na-akọhili aba. Kono wefu just to see how Biafrans have been subjugated for a very long time by the Nigerian state. If they can lobby America, a whole Donald Trump, $9 million. Oye nka afugolo with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because this is what they do. They come after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that people, they can use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to trend. That is what she's done now. Now that she's here to talk this rubbish, is it not because she comes to give us information? She calls, Igbo. People will pay attention to her. Now today, just that attention. Simon fundraising. These are the reasons why we are still in abroad. Cleaning bomb here. These kind of people are the reason why. But we're not going to leave them to continue with this, their madness. Dr. Ngozi Arabweze is a TNF among, and they will never survive it. So Biafra, on this note, I'm going to leave you people with this. I have to go home, my brothers and sisters, and meet my family. I love them so much. On this note, I will have to tell you this. The only government to follow is the United States of Biafra under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, and Dr. Ngozi Arabweze. These are the three legends that we have.
But one thing is that we all know in all these things is that, how do we say it again? Unity is strength, you know. Igbos need to unite together. And in a time like this, now love and unity, that is exactly what Igbos or Biafrans in general need right now. I'm telling you. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. Yes, so share this video. We all love you. Bye.